Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover your account and log in on eFootball. Alright, let's begin. First, open the game and tap on the three lines icon at the bottom right corner. From there, select Data Transfer. Then choose Transfer Data Linked to Konami ID. This will open a web page where you can proceed with account recovery. Alternatively, you can access the game and tap on the Extras tab at the top right corner. Next, select Support and then choose Link Data. Tap on Link Konami ID, which will bring up the same web page for data transfer. Once the page opens, scroll down slightly until you see a red column. Tap on it, and you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. If you do not remember your login details, select the Forgot option at the bottom. This will guide you through the recovery process, where you need to enter the required information to verify your identity. After completing these steps, your account should be successfully recovered, and you will be able to log back into eFootball without any issues. So that's basically how you can recover your account and log in on eFootball. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.